Greetings, families and friends. You know it's your favorite farmer man again, yeah. And I'm here live in the hills off the grid. And I just wanted to let you see this okra tree. Have you ever seen an okra tree? Yeah. This okra tree here is sublime, looking beautiful. I'm not lying. Leaned over a little bit from the rough weather that we have faced in the September time. But I want to show you it. It's blooming, looking great. Now here's a small okra tree that's just coming, that has not come to fruition, started producing as yet. So that's how the little baby okra tree look. But look at this one. This one is producing, and I want you to see this okra that's on the tree. Dragon tea. So remember, it's Rastafari Soldier, and I'm showing you the okra tree. Here's the flowering of the okra tree right here. Have you ever seen the flowers on an okra tree? Well, here it is, coming straight from me. Yeah, here is the flower on the okra tree. And it's actually producing some younger okras, right? And you have mature okras on the plant already. Now look at the leaves. It look almost like a trumpet tree, right? So thank you for tuning in. It's Rastafari Soldier. Yeah, the Crocus bag farmer. And I'm showing you the okra tree, teaching you how to identify it by the leaves here. Is the okra tree leaves. And there are the okras on there. And you also have the blossoms. And up in the top here, you have a few younger okras forming. I just see one of the blossom fell off right there. And from the blossom comes the okra, right? Subscribe, like, and share. Looking at the okra tree.